Go.
All right. See how a little analysis can make a big difference? Okay, so just as soon as that robot moves out there, you go ahead and whip on him, yeah? You can pull off. Pull two out at a time.
Pick up your controllers.
Pull two out.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, drive forward. Turn around. Okay, don't go into that while he's there. Just flip on it, put it on. Okay, now let her come up and get it. Just put the hands back in there and get it there. So remember, okay, so straight. Get straight on there. Okay, that's probably good enough. Definitely won't run it through him. You don't need your wrist, you need your arm. Down a little bit. Down a little bit. Right. Okay, that's good. Take a little bit the other angle. You're not taking it. Back up. Stay there. Turn it around this way just a little bit. Turn it around this way just a little bit more. Good. Now straight that way. Okay, turn the legs. Come forward. Drop down a little. Straight move it that way. No. Turn straight. Lift it up. Okay, angle it a little bit more this way. Okay, now, get on it. Yeah, right there, we're doing good. Yeah. Okay, now, pull back out. Turn around. Come around. Okay. New clip. Get another one on there. Okay, good. Okay, no. Okay, leave it alone. Back up. Come over here, Mark. Come over here, Mark. Good, just leave it there.
All the way up. Go back. Go back. Go.
Nice.
Hold up.